All right, look who we've got here.
We are at a place in Salem, Virginia, literally called
Car Wash.
Car Wash.
At least that's what it's tagged as on Google Maps, and I don't see any kind of sign anywhere. So back here we've got some self-service bays, and over here we have what looks like a pretty popular automatic bay. There's somebody in it and somebody waiting. So we're gonna go ahead and have Andrew get in line, and yeah, we'll check out what they have here. It looks like from this angle we might just be looking at a Laserwash G5.
Let's go see what we have up
On
here.
Street View I thought this might have been an Oasis Typhoon, but I'm guessing I was wrong. Yep. Well, we'll see if it's a good Laserwash G5. Oh, Salem Laserwash apparently is the name of this place.
Salem Laserwash.
So we got an Ultimate for 12, Premium for 10. What is that? Deluxe for 8.
Deluxe for 8, Basic for 5.
Well, you know which one we're gonna do.
The Ultimate.
All right, so we got the guy in front of us starting to wash. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna give Andrew a credit card. This is always a dangerous thing to do.
Not authorized. Hold on, let me, here, take this because I'm going to have to open the door. I want to see what's going on with it. Where's the billets? Oh, there we go, in there. Watch this. $10 is in there.
Yep.
2 disappear.
All right, I'm gonna leave Andrew here to be the interior camera operator and driver, and I'm gonna go. You're good to go, Andrew.
And here we go into the wash. That'll be it. Whoa. And that is the car wash. Now we're going to see how it did.
It's one thing, none of these lights back here work.
Let's get on the car and see how it did.
Dryers didn't do an amazing job.
This car was pretty dirty.
I was going to say, mine is being a little bit wet, assuming this is all spot-free water. It actually looks like it did a pretty good job.
Yeah, this camera's not really picking up in the low light.
This one's doing a little better, I think.
But yeah, so guys, hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for my crappy camera work. That'll be it.
Well said.